Class, you've already done Pythagoras theorem in class 9, right? And you have studied the proof also of it. Now we shall prove the theorem using the concept of similarity of triangles. Okay, now the theorem which is now we are going to study is, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangle on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to whole triangle and to each other. Now, what has been given to us here? It has been given to us that ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. Right. So you can see the sign represent that it is 90 degree. And let BD be the perpendicular to the side AC. What does it mean? That angle BDC and angle BDA both are 90 and 90. Now, let us consider in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. We know angle A is equals to angle A. Right? Okay. Now, then angle ADB. ADB is equals to angle ABC. And you know they are 90 degree. Okay. And it is given to us. And you know why ADB is 90 degree? Because it is perpendicular to AC. We know that BD is perpendicular to AC. Right? Then triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, by which, by similarity criterion. I think till here it is clear to you. So similarly, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Clear to you? By same similarity criterion, angle. So let this be the first one and let this be the second. Right? Yes. Now see from both the result 1 and 2 we know that triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular BD are similar to the whole triangle ABC. Right? So we know also, since triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, right? Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So we know triangle ADB will be similar to triangle BDC. Okay. Now let us apply the theorem in proving the Pythagoras theorem. Now, what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. A right angle triangle ABC has been given and angle B is 90 degree. So, this is given to us. We have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? Now, construction, draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now, we have already proved in the above theorem there. Now we know triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. And you know beta, this side is common in both ADB and ABC. Okay, we know that. So what relation we get? You know, one single side ABD means BD, right? And for the bigger triangle, it will be BC. So what relation we get? We got AD upon AB is equals to AB upon AC. We know sides are proportional. Right? So we got that AB square is equals to AD into AC. Similarly, now we know that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. We have already proved it, right? So we get the relation CD upon BC is equals to BC upon AC. So it will be BC square is equals to CD into AC. Right? Now, let this be 1 and let this be 2. So, what is our AB square plus BC square? You know, adding 1 and 2. So, we get what is AB square? AD into AC plus CD into AC. Is it clear to you? Take AC common. So it will be AD plus CD. Is it clear to you? Now what is AD plus CD? See in the figure. AD plus DC means AC. So it will be AC into AC. So we got AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Hence, it is proved. Now, this is a very, very important theorem. You should learn the proof of this. This theorem is very important. Okay? So, learn the proof of this theorem also. You should know how to prove it. Okay? So, thank you class.